Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix the problem of black screen on the application of Rave. We will enter in the first on settings like this. You will go to settings as you see. In this list you will scrolling down until you find here this window of apps and we click here. In this page you will scrolling down until you find the application of Rave. You will search about it here in this page. As you see, you will find it like this, and there is another choice. You can click here and you can write the name of the application to search about it here, and then we click here in this page of app info. You will go to this window of permissions and we click here. Here in this page you will check if all these permissions are allowed: the permission of photo and videos, the permission of notifications, and here you can choose any permission you want to allow it on the application of Rave. Then you will return to this page of app info. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here in this page you will click on clear cache. After that, after these steps, you will go to Play Store. Here you will click in this sign. You will go to above. Here in this page you will click in this window or in this application of Rave. We go to the application of Rave on Play Store. Here if you find updates, of course you will update your app. But if all these steps not working with you, then you should to uninstall your app and to install it again to fix that problem. After that, we will go to the application of Rave, and here you will check if this permission of black screen are solved like this. As you see here, you will not find the black screen on the application of Rave like this. So that's all. That's how to fix the problem of black screen on the application of Rave, as we see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.